In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Gorgias with Shopify. So this is actually quite simple. All you have to do is be logged in inside Gorgias and then go to Tickets up here. Click Settings, which is the very last option. And in here, what you want to do is look for All Apps. So it says App Store here on the left. You want to click on All Apps. Then in here, if you can see Shopify at the very top, what you want to do is go up here to the very top right where it says search for an app. Now you want to type in Shopify. Excuse me, I did a typo there. Shopify, there we go. And as you can see, Shopify now becomes available. You want to click it. And then over here, it will tell you all about it. Okay, you can read it if you want to. And then you want to press Connect Shopify. Once you press this, it will take you automatically to the Shopify App Store. Okay, over here, as you can see, the pricing is from $10 a month and you have a free trial available and it works with the latest themes. It also has a pretty great rating over here and you can read all about the integrations down here, see the plans, what people think, the reviews, and stuff like that. Now, to integrate it, you want to press Install over here. And then what you'll have to do is simply sign in to Shopify and then you'll be able to integrate it and connect it. You can also view the demo store by clicking View Demo Store over here. And this will take you to basically a option to kind of get to see a demo store. So you can fill that in and click book a demo and you'll get access to that. But if you just want to install it, press here, log in or sign up for Shopify and that's it. So that's how you integrate Gorgias with Shopify. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.